ang galing ng ambience, oh. You can eat while you're watching a movie. And today we're going to watch ano papanoorin natin, Berna? Ano papanoorin natin? Mission Impossible. Yes, imagine, oh, you can drink alcohol and you can relax on your lazy boy. And this is only 900 pesos worth. Yes, only here at the Araneta Center. And this has been opened for just a month ago. And super relaxed ni Madam Berna, oh. Meron ka sariling table. At ito, gusto mong more drinks, more food, just press that button. Diba, Berna? Just press that button. Waiter goes to you. Maski na Makati, walang ganito. Very, very high-end. Okay, just a little tour kung gaano kaganda yung lugar. And there's only 3 showings a day so far. And sabi nila, they will try to make it 4 showings na. Kasi it's hard to book. It's always fully booked. But you can always book through the internet. Oh, yan ang lazy boy. Yan ang upuan ko. Ayan. Ha? Sobrang relax ni Madam Berna, oh. The screen, and there's only a total of 56 lazy boy chairs. Ayan. Baka hindi ka na makapanood na mabuti. Makakatulog ka na lang. Pero ano to, Mission Impossible. Andiyan, ha? Iba na si Cubao ngayon. Iba na si Cubao because of the developments here. Meron ng Novotel, meron ng Ibis. Ibang-iba na si Cubao, hindi na tulad dati. Baduy na baduy. Ngayon may pang high-end na siya, which is the Gateway Mall. Ano yung lalagyan mo ng bag, Berna? Oh, meron pang lalagyan ng bag sa baba, oh. Oh, galing, ano? Well, again, they have a free lounge 1 hour before. Pwede ka mag-lounge dito. Yan si, oo, nga pala, no. Pwede mag-alcohol. Pwede rin maglasing habang nanonood.
Oh, sir, basta
pwede?
Bawal magwala.
Bawal lang magwala. Pwede maglasing. Okay, ang galing, ano? Tama si, ano? Tama yung kaibigan natin. Oh. At saka kailangan huwag ka maingay. Para yung mga nagiinom, nakaka-concentrate. Hindi tulad sa iba, pag nagiinom ka, nagiging talkative. Well, ganito kaganda. Galing. Again, mahirap mag-book. 3 showings lang a day. Mahirap mag-book. So you have to book early if you want to try this. It's called Wolfgang's Premier Lounge. Oh. Oh, anong problema?
Anak niyo, ma'am?
Oh, nauna pa yung anak mo?
Bakit nauna pa yung kanina?
Okay. Hindi. Nagbibigay ng tip yun, eh. Di ba? Kanya siguro na kanya nauna sa drinks yung daw anak niyang si, ano. Oh, yun. Ang problema tuloy siya. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan. Oh, pinag-uusapan yung yung pagkain. Kasi kasama yung pagkain, pwede mong kainin habang nanonood ka ng movie na Mission Impossible. Danny, enjoy? Enjoy it, Danny? Mission Impossible. Berna, enjoy? Again, we're gonna show you Wolfgang's Premier Lounge.
Good evening.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Ganda. Ganda ng lounge niya before watching a movie. This is it. So basically, you pay 900 pesos, you get free drinks and free food. Yes, all included while watching on a Lazy Boy. Hello! Hello, Harvey. Did you enjoy the movie, David? Oh, nice, huh? Yeah. It's worth it. Plus, you have the lounge. Okay, so we saw Tom Cruise on Mission Impossible, the final recording. Talagang impossible yung ginawa mo. Tom Cruise. Alright, but it's a great movie.